What if I told you you can start a business today with $0? No savings, no inventory, no complicated tech skills, just your laptop, Wi-Fi, and the determination to change your financial future. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a dropshipping business with no money and build the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. But here's the catch. If you don't take action now, someone else will, and they'll be living the dream you're still dreaming about. So, let's get started. Imagine opening a store where you don't pay for inventory up front, you don't rent a physical space, and you never have to worry about shipping products yourself. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. Here's how it works. You partner with suppliers who fulfill orders for you. You're essentially the middleman. You market the products, collect payments, and let the supplier handle the rest. Why does it work? Because convenience sells. And guess what? Dropshipping has leveled the playing field for people in the US, Asia, and developing countries alike. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. What matters is how you start. Now, before you get too comfortable, let me warn you. Success in dropshipping isn't easy. It's simple, but not easy. Are you willing to outwork the competition? If not, you might as well click away now. Still here? Good. Let's prove your future self proud. Choosing the right niche is like choosing your weapon in a video game. It can make or break your strategy. So, how do you pick a winning niche? Start by looking for three things: high demand, low competition, and evergreen potential. For example, health products, eco-friendly items, and gadgets often perform well year-round. But don't just follow the crowd. Find what excites you. Selling something you're passionate about can make the grind feel less like work and more like play. Here's the kicker. If you get this step wrong, you'll waste time, energy, and possibly even your will to continue. So don't rush it. Spend time researching. Check trending products on platforms like TikTok and Google Trends. And remember, it's not about what you love. It's about what sells. What are people already buying? And how can you offer it better? Stick around to the end of this video, and I'll reveal a secret tool that will save you hours of niche research. Next up, building your store. Don't worry if you're not a tech wizard. These days, you can create a professional online store in under an hour without spending a penny. How? Use free trials from platforms like Shopify or Big Cartel. For your store's branding, tools like Canva offer free templates to design logos and banners that look like they cost hundreds of dollars. And here's a ninja hack. Focus on creating a store that feels trustworthy. People don't buy from random websites. They buy from brands they trust. Add testimonials, clear product descriptions, and high-quality images. Even if you're selling on a shoestring budget, presentation is everything. It's the difference between someone clicking Buy Now or Close Tab. So tell me, would you buy from your own store? If the answer's no, you've got work to do. But here's the tricky part. How do you drive traffic to your store without spending a single dollar? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Marketing doesn't have to cost a fortune. In fact, some of the most effective strategies are completely free. Take TikTok, for example. By posting short, engaging videos about your products, you can reach thousands, even millions, without spending a dime. Instagram DMs are another goldmine. Connect with influencers in your niche and offer them free products in exchange for a shout-out. But here's the game changer. Build a community around your brand. Start a Facebook group, engage in Reddit threads, or even create a YouTube channel sharing tips related to your niche. The more value you give, the more trust you build. And trust? That's what turns browsers into buyers. Think of it this way. Every post, comment, and DM is an investment in your future success. So, are you willing to put in the work? Or are you going to keep scrolling TikTok aimlessly? Now comes the exciting part, scaling your business. Once you start making sales, reinvest your profits, upgrade your store's design, invest in paid ads, and diversify your product range. But here's a pro tip. Don't scale too quickly. Growth is like climbing a ladder. If you skip too many rungs, you'll fall. Start small, test, and optimize. Track your analytics religiously. Numbers never lie. And don't forget, customer service is king. Happy customers mean repeat sales, and repeat sales means sustainable growth. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're already ahead of 90% of people who just dream about starting a business but never take action. But this journey doesn't end here. Your future self is waiting.